G'day, Chester here from meatinthepark.com.au, here with another public barbecue tip. Did you know you don't always have to fry stuff on barbecues? You can also pop stuff, like this popcorn right here. First, just oil it up, pour your kernels on, and then put the tin on top. Now we wait. Just wait for it to heat up.
Pop, pop, pop.
Oh, well, it sounds like it's done. Let's have a look. Wow, there we go. Okay. Just put them in. Oh, hey Leo, how you going?
Oh, how's your trip to Venezuela?
Nothing beats popcorn and some wholesome family entertainment. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Tune in next time for other barbecue tips and tricks.